Can I open the door or no?
No, not while
Okay.
it's running.
Okay.
It'll
Okay.
Well, if he has the brothers already, he knows that has such a fast proof on it.
Is there any way to crank it up?
Yeah, that's next on it, but
Okay.
it was programmed a little more conservative, so.
That's cool.
It's cutting several holes, so if you want to break it and pick up some of the other operations, but it's doing some chamfering.
Cool.
That goes real fast.
Wait.
And the time it takes you to go to one hole to the next, you can't even blink that fast. It's just, I'm just amazed with this machine. It's pretty cool.
They're very quick.
They're quick.
Yes.
They're quick. Of a lot of industries, and this thing is so much faster than the Haas. It makes the Haas look old-fashioned.
Yeah.
Really old-fashioned.
Well, the precision too. This is a very precise tool.
It is.
Old Japanese built, 100%. When you're familiar with Brother, it's all they're built in Japan, so.
What kind of tolerance resolution are you getting on circular interpolation?
I couldn't tell you for sure the circulation. I mean, we got customers that hold, a couple tenths on most positioning and interpolation. Obviously, the tighter the tolerance.
Some of
We
the
incorporate
parts
probing
I
and
made
stuff.
in order is 2 tenths.
Yeah,
And did.
yeah. I mean, realistically, I say anything under half a thou, you want to incorporate some good machining practices, obviously.
Yeah.
But you need to hold the power too. You're not going to have to.
And are we able to get the hours as well while we're here? Photo the hours?
Yeah.
That'd be awesome.
And you just take a picture of the screen, that's pretty good. Don't take my word for it, read the screen.
That's what we do.
Yeah.
It's nice to be able to tell somebody that, hey,
You want to see like coolant run or anything like that?
yeah, man, put the coolant on.
You got coolant. It's got a washdown system. It's got through the fuel coolant. It wasn't run. They're not programmed in on this.
Oh, turn on the watch that system.
Oh, wow.
He's actually got an angled out. It's kind of cool. It's going to help wash down across the parts. So we're going to get a lot on your screen now. So
It's okay. I'm going to do a walk around there today.
sure.
Brother Speedio. Just a walk around on the condition of the machine. This rotary axis system and fixturing is special built for their own internal application. This is coming with the machine tool. Now, is that a high pressure pump I saw on the back for
Yes,
coolant?
it is.
Is it really? I know we have that listed. I just was.
Yeah, I'll demonstrate that here.
How many psi is it?
That's a 435. So
Very cool. See, the condition of the machine is very clean.
I would love the power to
yeah.
See how fast that table moves. That just blows my mind.
Isn't that amazing? Very cool.
Yeah, so he's got everything equipped on it too. Fully equipped with a touch tool setter for touching up the tools. The upgrades, MTG work light, spindle override, some basic upgrades that if you're buying a new machine you'd have to add on. There you go. You want to do another one?
Do 22.
Please do.
22?
Yeah, that does them all.
Oh, I don't want to do them all.
Okay.
Let me just do number 5 here. Let's go. Basically, it's so coolant. And it's got a manual pressure adjustment on the back, so you can adjust your pressure based on your size of your tools.
Oh wow.
So up to the 435 psi.
Love it.
If you still, everything runs together.
Love it.